favorite actor who has delivered exceptional performances in leading roles in a primetime television series, while truly understanding the requirements of the characters they portray.
The nominees are Seth Fedelin for Dirty Linen, Donnie Pangilinan for Can't Buy Me Love, David Licauco for Maging Sino Ka Man, Kyle Etchari for Senior High, Dingdong Dantes for Royal Blood, and Coco Martin for FPJ's Batang Quiapo.
The VP Choice Award goes to Donnie Pangilinan. Congratulations!
Hello po, VP Choice Awards night. Maraming salamat po for this award, TV Actor of the Year. Sorry I can't be there right now, may only shoot ngayon, pero maraming salamat for all the support throughout this series, and I dedicate this as well to all the supporters of Can't Buy Me Love and everyone who voted. Maraming salamat, and hope to see you guys very soon. Thanks guys, bye!
The VP Choice Awards for TV Actress of the Year for a primetime series goes to the people's favorite actress who has delivered exceptional performances in leading roles in a primetime television series while truly understanding the requirements of the characters they portray.
The nominees are Barbie Fortesa for Maging Sino Ka Man, Andrea Brillantes for Senior High, Sanya Lopez for Mga Lihim ni Ugduha, Francine Diaz for Dirty Linen, Jody Santa Maria for Unbreak My Heart, and Bel Mariano for Can't Buy Me Love.
And the VP Choice Award goes to Bel Mariano. Congratulations!
Good evening everyone. This is Bel Mariano. Sorry I can't be there with you right now, but I'd like to thank VP Choice Awards for recognizing me as the Actress of the Year for Can't Buy Me Love. Wow, ang dami kong gustong pasalamatan. Siyempre yung aking pamilya sa Can't Buy Me Love, to our directors, the production, the cast of Can't Buy Me Love, and my love team, thank you so much. And of course, to everyone that supported and showed their love sa Can't Buy Me Love, maraming salamat. I share this recognition with you guys, and sa lahat ng bumoto at nagpuyat, para sa inyo po to.
Congratulations, Maurice. Now the VP Choice Awards for Love Team of the Year goes to the people's favorite celebrity pair, also known as a love team, who have been actively featured in television series, radio shows, and movie projects, and have become the talk of the town due to their natural chemistry, both on-screen and off-screen.
The nominees are Francine Diaz and Seth Fedelin, Francel, Barbie Fortesa and David Licauco, Barda, Carrie Oyuma and Jeremiah Lisbo, Kaunia, Katie Estrada and Alexa Ilacat, Katie Lex, Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Mariano, Donda, Jillian Ward and Jeff Moses, Jillian.
And the VP Choice Award goes to Don Bell. Congratulations!
Hello po, VP Choice Awards. Thank you again for this Love Team of the Year award. Of course, I share this alongside Bel Mariano. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumoto, to all our supporters, all the judges, just everyone who consists of the VP Choice Awards. Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. And we'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys!
Hello guys! Good evening! Love Team of the Year! Siyempre, muna gusto ko magpasalamat kay Don. Thank you so much, and it's always a pleasure working with you. And to everyone that supported Don Bell, sa lahat ng Bobblies, Don Bell, maraming salamat po. We dedicate this award to you guys, and we love you.
Hi, good evening everyone! Ako po si Karina Bautista. Siyempre, una sa lahat, gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa Village people for nominating me and seeing my talent and saying na isa ako promising star. Wow! And I would like to greet my fans, supporters, who I call the Crebers family because they care for me so much. I would also like to thank my mom, my family, my friends, my loved ones. Maraming pong salamat. And of course, I also want to inspire all the youth out there, lalo na ngayon, nagaganap po ang Pinoy Big Brother auditions namin. So to have that and this na magsabay is truly humbling and it reminds me of where I came from. Kaya naman, this is proof that dreams really do come true. Thank you so much. Have a good night.
The VP Choice Awards for TV Supporting Actor of the Year Award goes to people's favorite actor.
Television series that captures the hearts of Filipino viewers with its relatable and timely plot, production, direction, as well as a talented ensemble of actors.
The nominees are Dirty Linen, Can't Buy Me Love, Senior High, Maging Sino Ka Man, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, and Black Rider.
The VP Choice Award goes to Can't Buy Me Love. Congratulations.
Good evening, everyone. In behalf of Can't Buy Me Love and Direct Me and Star Cinema and Star Creatives, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa aming show.
Ayan, thank you everybody sa lahat po ng mga bumoto, sa lahat po ng judges. Maraming salamat po. Village People Choice Awards. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the night.
Congratulations to all our awardees. Grabe partner, dear you.